Office of the Vice President, hindi po top performing sa audit. Wala pong top performance, wala pong ranking sa audit. Ang meron lang pong maliwanag ay ang tinatawag nating unmodified or unqualified opinion. Ang ibig sabihin po nito ay mayroon siyang fair presentation ng financial statements in all material respects. Ibig sabihin, fairly presented ang financial statement. Pero, mas dapat natin tutukan mga kaboses ang tinatawag natin na compliance and performance audit. Ano po ba ang nakita ng Commission on Audit dito? Unahin po natin, sang-ayon po sa performance audit, ito mga kaboses, the COA issued a notice of disallowance for 73.2 million of the OVP's 2022 confidential funds due to documentation issues. Ito po yung mga Mary Grace Piatos. So, meron pong ganyan. No? At hanggang ngayon po, as of late 2025, it was noted that the results of the full compliance and performance audits for the EVP were not yet publicly available. Meaning, wala pa. Pangalawa, mayroon pong isang finding na while the OVP has highlighted that the audits found no loss or wastage, maliwanag po na pinlag ng Commission on Audit na mayroong weak monitoring, questionable beneficiary validation, delayed liquidation, and accounting errors sa financial statement ng Office of the Vice President. Maliwanag na kalagay dito. In summary, the OVP has a clean financial audit opinion, but its compliance and performance audits have flagged specific issues, particularly concerning confidential funds and program implementations. So, dapat po hindi tayo paloko. Una, walang top performing, no? Walang top performance audit, walang ranking. Pangalawa, ang unqualified opinion does not mean na wala kang ninakaw, no? Pangatlo, meron pong mga na-flag ang COA na mga dapat ayusin sa Office of the Vice President, mga weakness sa implementation nito. So, wag tayong maniwala sapagkat marami dyan ay kwento at budol lang, hindi naman talaga totoo. Padayon, mga kaboses.